This is the OdinLake Ergonomic office chair. I went with this chair because it looks good and because I really needed an upgrade from this thing. I've had this chair for a very long time and I work from home, so it was really starting to hurt my back. The price of this chair is about $399 US, but I was able to get mine about $30 cheaper using a coupon. You can find this chair on Amazon or by clicking the link in the description below the video. We're gonna unbox it, put it together, and I'll give you my first impressions of it.
It's a f***ing monster. Oh, Jesus.
Overall, the chair is fairly easy to put together. I did have a little trouble mounting the backrest to the seat, but if you have an extra pair of hands laying around, it's not so bad. When the chair is fully put together, it is pretty heavy. OdinLake's website says the chair is about 43 pounds, so just keep that in mind when you're deciding where to actually put this thing together. Lucky for me, I had enough room in my office to just put it together there, but if you have to take it up a flight of stairs, well, you might want some help with that too. Because of the weight of the chair, I've also noticed it doesn't roll as easily on the carpet, so you may want to consider getting one of those plastic office mats. I don't really have any concerns over the mesh yet. It seems like it's pretty solid. I was pretty worried about the headrest since I'm 6 foot tall, but it's actually pretty comfortable. I have it at the max height and it's tilted all the way up towards the ceiling. With this setup, it fits kind of naturally in the back of my neck and my head sits comfortably on it. With the backrest all the way forward, it's a bit more vertical than I prefer to sit. So I have it tilted back slightly and I just locked it into place. In my opinion, this is way more comfortable. When getting up from the chair, I have noticed the armrests adjust a little too easily, but to be honest, I don't really use the armrest anyway. I just kind of rest my arms on my desk. I haven't used the footrest much yet, but I gotta say, it's definitely nice to have, especially if you're a gamer like myself. With the chair fully reclined, I could easily see myself gaming for hours with a controller. Unfortunately though, I don't have one. I'm a PC gamer, so I haven't tested that theory out yet. But yeah, overall, super satisfied with the chair so far. I'll probably do another review video once I've had some time to actually break this thing in. But again, if you're interested in checking out the chair, I have it linked in the description below the video. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.